Hello everyone. Welcome to Movie Podcast in Slow English. I am happy you are here today. In this podcast, we watch movies together. I tell you the story. I speak slowly and clearly. This is good practice for your English. Today's movie is called E.T. the Extra-Terrestrial. This movie is from 1982. The director is Steven Spielberg. It is a very famous and very beautiful movie. There are two main characters. The first character is Elliott. Elliott is a young boy. He is about 10 years old. He lives in California in the United States. The second character is E.T. E.T. is not a person. E.T. is an alien. An alien is a creature from another planet. E.T. has big eyes, a long neck, and a small body. He is strange, but he is also very kind. Now let's begin the story. The story begins at night. It is dark. It is quiet. A big spaceship lands in a forest near a city. Many small aliens come out of the spaceship. They're looking at the plants and the trees. They're curious. They want to learn. But suddenly, people come with bright lights and cars. The aliens are scared. They run back to the spaceship. The spaceship goes up very fast. But one small alien is too slow. He does not get on the spaceship. The spaceship leaves without him. This alien is E.T. E.T. is alone now. He is in a strange place. He is lost. He is scared. He does not know what to do. Not far away there is a house. A boy named Elliott lives in this house. Elliott lives with his mother, his brother Michael, and his little sister Gertie. His father is not at home. His parents are separated. Elliott sometimes feels lonely. One night, Elliott hears a strange sound outside. He goes to the garden. He sees something moving in the dark. He is surprised. He is a little scared. But he is also very curious. The next day, Elliott goes back to the garden. He brings some candy. It is called Reese's Pieces. He puts the candy on the ground. He waits. And then E.T. comes out from the dark. Elliott sees him for the first time. Both of them are surprised. Both of them jump back. But then they look at each other. Slowly they are not scared anymore. Elliott takes E.T. into his house. He hides E.T. in his bedroom. It is a big secret. Elliott does not tell his mother. But he tells his brother Michael and his sister Gertie. At first they are scared. T looks very different. But soon they like him. E.T. is friendly. E.T. is funny. E.T. is gentle. Elliott and E.T. spend time together every day. Something special happens between them. They can feel each other's emotions. This means, when E.T. is happy, Elliott is happy. When E.T. is sad, Elliott is sad. They are connected, like best friends. E.T. is happy with Elliott and his family. But E.T. also misses his home. He misses his family on his planet. E.T. is very intelligent. He watches television and learns English words. He points to the sky. He says, "E.T. phone home." Phone home means, I want to call my family. I want to send a message to my planet. I want to go back. So Elliott helps E.T. build a communication machine. They use old toys and simple things from the house. The machine sends a signal to the sky, a signal to E.T.'s family. But there is a problem. Some government people know about E.T. They're looking for him. They want to study him. They do not want to hurt him, but they are scientists. They're curious too, but in a different way. Then something terrible happens. E.T. becomes sick. He is not well in this world. The air on Earth is different from his planet. E.T. is getting weaker every day. Because Elliott and E.T. are connected, Elliott also feels sick. Elliott's family is very worried. The government scientists come to the house. They take E.T. to a hospital room. They try to help him, but E.T. is getting worse. Elliott sits with E.T. He holds E.T.'s hand. He says, I'll believe in you all my life. Every day. This is a beautiful moment. Means I will always remember you're important to me. But then something wonderful happens. E.T.'s chest starts to glow. Glow means to shine with light. E.T.'s family heard his message. They're coming for him. Elliott and his friends have a plan. They take E.T. from the hospital room. They put him in a basket on a bicycle. They ride their bicycles very fast. The government people follow them in cars. And then, one of the most famous moments in cinema history. E.T. uses his power. The bicycles go up. They fly. Elliott and E.T. fly across the big round moon. It is a magical and beautiful image. They go to the forest. The spaceship is coming down from the sky. It is time for E.T. to go home. Elliott and E.T. say goodbye. E.T. touches Elliott's forehead. He says, I'll be right here. He points to Elliott's heart. This means I will always be in your heart. Even when I am far away. Elliott has tears in his eyes. E.T. walks into the spaceship. The door closes. The spaceship goes up into the sky. It leaves a rainbow of light behind. Elliott watches the sky. He is sad. But he is also happy. He knows E.T. is safe now. He knows E.T. is going home. So, what is the main message of this movie? The main message is this. A true friendship has no limits. It does not matter if you are different. It does not matter if you come from a different place, or even a different planet. If your heart is open, you can find a true friend. E.T. also teaches us something important about home. Home is not only a place. Home is the people you love. Home is where your heart belongs. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you enjoyed the story of Elliott and E.T. I hope your English is a little better now. Practice every day. Watch movies. Listen to stories. You are doing great. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.